Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, here's another new feature on the Galaxy S26 series, and that is call screening. Now, I get 1 to 3 spam calls a day at this point, and it is super annoying to me. So any feature that can deter me from getting more calls or more voicemails from these calls, I am here for. And I do want to point out that this was a feature first on Google, and then on iPhones, and now it's on Samsung. The idea behind call screening is your AI assistant picks up the call and says, hey, I'm an assistant. I am answering the phone for the person you're calling. What is this about? And then the person calling you will then respond or give a generic message because they're a bot doing a spam call. So it gives you a way of screening calls and hopefully avoiding voicemails from these spam callers. I really like this feature. They had a demo for it. I am very curious about an additional feature. They said that it will be a button saying, try spam detection. Again, anything to stop all of the spam calls that I get, and I'm sure a lot of you get. Let me know in the comment section if you're getting them a lot lately, but it is something that I want to see less of as much as possible. So I hope these brands, carriers, everyone can put a stop as much as possible to this, and this is just another tool to stop you from getting so many spam calls. Let me know your thoughts. And again, do you get a lot of spam calls? I'm very curious. Am I the only one who gets them so often? It just drives me crazy. I basically do not answer my phone. I let just people leave voicemails at this point. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. It is really something that annoys me, and I'm curious if it annoys you guys too. Make sure to subscribe because we're gonna have all of the features that stand out on the S26, as well as a lot of samples from the phone itself. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube tech guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.